morning students. So today we are going to deal with unit number 1.3, page number 12. Already you have got your textbooks from the school. The name of the poem is Trees Are the Kindest Things I Know. And see, before reading a poem, we are going to discuss the chit-chat activity. In every lesson, every poem, we have to begin with the chit-chat activity. So see on page number 12, there are 5 questions, and first we are going to discuss about these questions. So the first question is given there, when do you receive gifts? The occasion when specially you receive the gifts. Occasions, प्रसंग, कोणकोणत्या प्रसंगाला तुम्ही गिफ्ट्स रिसीव करतात. Already you know that whenever you are going to celebrate your birthday, that time you always wish that you should get gifts from the for that occasion, and that is called as the birthday celebration. So birthday, then wedding anniversary. So wedding anniversary. Sometimes we have Vastu Puja, and in this celebration we also get gifts from others. So these are the special occasions when we get gifts from others. Next question is given there, do you like to give gifts? Second question is, do you like to give gifts? Sometimes it happens that we don't like to give gifts to others. Good morning students. Last week we learned a new lesson. So today we are going to learn a new poem, page number 1.3. The name of the poem is Trees Are the Kindest Things I Know. See, unit number 1.3, Trees Are the Kindest Things I Know. Page number 12, you have to open your textbooks. I know that everyone you have got the textbooks from schools. So you have to open the textbook because we are going to discuss the chit-chat activity. See on page number 12, there are total 5 questions given, and we are going to discuss about these questions. Every time we discuss these activities, so you are familiar with these activities. The first question is, when do you receive gifts? There are so many occasions when you receive gifts from your friends, from your elder brother, from your relatives, from your neighbors. And so when do you receive gifts? There are occasions, and the special occasion you will definitely recall is the birthday celebration. Second is, sometimes we have our Vastu Puja, that time also we get some gifts. Marriage ceremony, that time also we get some gifts. So these are the occasions you can write in your notebook. Then the second question is, do you like to give gifts? Definitely the answer is very confused, because sometimes we like to give gifts to others, but sometimes we don't like to give gifts to others. It depends on the person to whom we are going to give the gift. कधी कधी आपण कोणाला देतो याच्यावर पण ते अवलंबून असतं गिफ्ट आपल्याला द्यायचं आहे किंवा नाही. सो यू हॅव टू राईट द आन्सर this way. Yes, I like to give a gift to others, and you can write the answers by saying negative, by giving negative answer. No, I don't like to give the gifts. The third question is given there, from whom do you get gifts? From whom? Whom means कोणाकडनं. तुम्हाला कोणाकडनं गिफ्ट्स मिळतात हे तर you know that you always get gifts from your parents. Your mother always give you gifts whenever you are going to celebrate your birthday. Your parents always give you gifts. Your elder sister, your elder brother, your relatives, your neighbors, they are always ready to give you the gifts. Next question is, what is the best gift that you have ever received? And even though you get so many gifts, the sub gift is sometimes it is very special for us because it is given to us by the dear ones. And suppose your mother give you a gift that is very useful, and the gift फॉर एक्झाम्पल तुमच्या आईने तुम्हाला एखादं सुंदर असं गिफ्ट दिलं जे उपयोगी आहे, and it is precious for you because your mother has given to you that gift. It means that the person also matters who gives you the gift. and what is the best gift that you have ever received? So you can write the answer this way. The best gift which I have received from my mother is the wristwatch. You can write this way. And suppose you ask me the question, teacher, what will be your answer? Suppose I ask the question to you. समजा तुम्ही मला म्हटलात की टीचर तुम्ही काय आन्सर लिहिणार, तर मी तुम्हाला एक एक्झाम्पल देते. See, there is a wristwatch now I have wearing, and you will ask me the question. You are asking me the question, so I will give you the answer that this gift is precious for me because I got it from my son. So it is a precious gift for me. So this way you can write a answer. हे गिफ्ट माझ्यासाठी प्रेशियस काय आहे? कारण ते मला माझ्या मुलाने दिलेलं आहे. सो यू हॅव टू राईट डाऊन द रिझन वाय द गिफ्ट इज प्रेशियस टू यू. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वाय इज इट स्पेशल फॉर यू? काय रिझन आहे, का स्पेशल आहे ते गिफ्ट तुमच्यासाठी? सो आय ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन यू दॅट द गिफ्ट इज स्पेशल फॉर मी बिकॉज इट इज गिवन टू मी बाय माय सन. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दॅट what gifts do trees give to mankind? Mankind means मानवजात किंवा मनुष्यजात, मनुष्याला मिळालेल्या झाडांकडनं कोणत्या कोणत्या गिफ्ट्स मिळालेल्या आहेत. आणि आपण खरंच विसरतो की दिस ब्युटिफुल नेचर, दिस ब्युटिफुल एन्व्हायरमेंट इज ऑलवेज रेडी टू गिव्ह अस एव्हरीथिंग. दे आर ऑलवेज रेडी टू प्रोव्हाइड अस, बट वी स्टील ह्युमन बीइंग्स फॉरगेट ऑल दीज थिंग्स. वी आर नॉट रेडी टू शो द ग्रॅटिट्यूड टू द ह्युमन बीइंग, टू दिस नेचर. So trees give us so many things. See, where I am now standing here, the board and the wood which is made up of the wood, which is given to us by the trees. The fruit which we eat every day, that is given to us by the trees. The bark, the branches on which the birds take shelter, and the branches under which the cows take rest. Sometimes we human beings also take rest under the shadows of the branches. So these are the answers and everything. Now we are sitting in a class from so many days. We are not able to attend the school because of this pandemic disease. So the benches which are also made up of the wood, ह्या benches वर जिथे आपण बसत होतो ते सुद्धा आपल्याला झाडांनीच दिलेलं एक वरदान आहे. आपल्या घरातलं फर्निचर हे असतं, हे सुद्धा आपण झाडांकडनंच आपल्याला मिळालेलं असतं आणि आपण हे विसरतो. It means that trees play very important role in our life. The rain which we are getting, it is also because of the tree. The balance which is kept in this beautiful nature is given to us by the trees. Now the next question is very interesting. Name the parts of the tree that begin with, and see some alphabets are given there, B, F and T. See, these are the alphabets given, B, T and F. You have to write down the answers which begin with these alphabets that trees specially provide us. झाडांकडनं मिळालेल्या कोणकोणत्या गोष्टी अशा आहेत की ज्या आपल्याला मिळत असतात. सो आपण ह्या ठिकाणी लिहू शकतो, बीच्या ठिकाणी लिहू शकतो बार्क, and second is branches. You can write here branches. And T, you can write here trunk. You can write here trunk. And the next is tree top. Tree top. And F is very easy for you because we get flowers and fruits from the trees. So you can write here flowers and fruits. So this way we discuss about the chit chat activity. Now we are going to begin with the poem. The poem is so interesting, the lines are so touching. When you will read it at home, then you will recognize that what so many things from nature we get, but we human beings are not showing any kind of gratitude towards the nature, towards this beautiful environment. So see the title of the poem, trees are the kindest things I know. The poet is saying trees are, वृक्ष झाड ही the kindest, kind, दयाळू, kindest things I know, की सगळ्यात जास्त झाडं दयाळू आहेत because they are giving us everything, they are providing us everything, but still we are not giving anything in return to them. We are not showing gratitude to them. We are just cutting the trees. We are not taking care of this beautiful environment, and it is our duty that we must take care of the trees. It is our duty that we must take care of this beautiful environment, this beautiful nature. So now you have to read the poem and before reading a poem, I am going to read the poem for you. See on page number 13. Open your books. Page number 13, I am showing you the page, and there is also a beautiful picture of this beautiful nature. The trees are, the picture of the trees are given there, some fruits are shown there. Please open your textbooks, then only you can understand what the poet wants to give us, what the poet wants to tell us. See on page number 13, unit number 1.3, trees are the kindest things I know. Trees are the kindest things I know, they do not harm, they simply grow. And spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among their boughs. They give us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our houses of, and leaves to burn on Halloween, and in the spring new birds of green. They are the first when days begun to touch the beams of morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night, and when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest things I know. So, see the first line of the poem which begin with the trees are the kindest things I know, and the last line even also ends with the same line, trees are the kindest things I know. Now, I am going to tell you the meanings of new words. I am going to explain each line, and you have to listen it very carefully and see what is mentioned, what kind of message the poet wants to tell us. See the first two lines, trees are the kindest things I know. I know, the trees are the kindest things. मला माहिती आहे वृक्ष ही सगळ्यात दयाळू अशा गोष्टी आहेत. They do not harm. Harm means इजा पोचवणे, hurt anyone. They simply grow, and we know that trees simply grow. They just keep on growing and growing and growing, but they are not ready to harm anyone else. See, know and grow. Know and grow. These are the rhyming words. Sometimes there is a question in the exam that find out the rhyming words, find out the rhyming pairs. You have to write down know and grow. Second is and spread. Spread means pasravne. Spread a shade for sleepy cows. Sleepy, झोपणाऱ्या गायींसाठी आपण बघितलेले प्रत्येकाने की बऱ्याच वेळेस हे जे प्राणी असतात झाडाखाली आराम करतात. And they spread their shade, shade, सावली हे कोणासाठी? Sleepy cows and gather birds among their boughs. त्या फांद्या ज्या असतात झाडाच्या, सुंदर असे असणाऱ्या त्या झाडाच्या ज्या फांद्या असतात, या फांद्यांवर काय करतात? पक्षी आराम करत असतात, खूप छान असं ते रेस्ट घेत असतात. आणि they also eat fruit from that trees. It means that they also get food from the trees, and they give us fruit and in leaves above, and आपल्याला ते फळं पण देतात, and wood to make our houses of. Already I explained you the furniture which we make in our house, that is made up by the wood which is given to us by the trees, and the benches where we are sitting, these are also made up by these trees, and so they are ready to give us fruit and wood also. The next line is and leaves to burn on Halloween, and in the spring new birds of green. Halloween, it is a festival in autumn observed in western countries. Halloween, it is a kind of festival. हा सण आहे की ज्यावेळेस तो सेलिब्रेट केला जातो, आणि इन द न्यू बर्ड्स ऑफ ग्रीन. बर्ड्स नवीन अशा जेव्हा झाडांना पालवी फुटते किंवा सगळं काही जेव्हा नवीन असतं निसर्गामध्ये, दॅट टाइम दिस फेस्टिवल इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज. सी द नेक्स्ट लाइन. सी know, grow, cows, boughs, Halloween, green, these are the rhyming words. You have to write it down. Next line is they are the first when days begun to touch the beams of morning sun. Begun and sun. See, begun and sun, these are also the rhyming words. Begun and sun. See, these begun and sun. Because there will be a question, there may be a question of rhyming words. They are the first when days begun. आपला दिवस सुरू झाला की सुरुवात काय असते, त्याची सुरुवात कशी होते? To touch the beams of morning sun. Beams means rays. Beams means rays. See, these are the beams. These are the beams. These are called as the rays of the sun. Rays of the sun. These are also known as the beams. की सूर्याची किरण आपण बाहेर पडल्या आपल्या चेहऱ्यावर किंवा आपल्या शरीरावर पडणारी ती किरणं कसली असतात, सूर्याची असतात. दे आर द फर्स्ट व्हेन देअर डेज बिगन टू टच द बीम्स ऑफ द सन. आणि मग वृक्षच ही पहिली असतात. आपल्याला आपण झोपलेले असताना त्यांच्यावर झाडांवर पडणारी सर्वात आधीची किरणं ही कशावर पडत असतात, त्या झाडांवरच पडतात. दे आर द लास्ट टू होल्ड द लाईट when evening changes into night. जेव्हा दिवसाची रात्र होते and they are the last, झाडच शेवटी असतात की ते लाईट आपल्याकडे काय करत असतात, ते होल्ड करतात, पकडून ठेवतात. म्हणजे वृक्ष किती महत्त्वाचं मोठं काम करतात हे आपल्याला यातनं समजतं. नेक्स्ट लाईन इज when a moon floats on the sky. moon floats on the sky. स्काय, आकाशामध्ये जेव्हा मून हा चंद्र जेव्हा तरंगणे जेव्हा तरंगत असतो ह्या क्लाउड्सवर इकडे तिकडे, त्यावेळेस काय, वन अ मून फ्लोट्स ऑन द स्काय दे हार्म अ ड्राउझी ललबाय. ड्राउझी मीन्स स्लीपी, ललबाय मीन्स अंगाईगीत. तुम्हाला माहीत असेल की एखादं बाळ जेव्हा झोपत असतं त्यावेळेस आई त्याला तेव्हा झोका देत असताना एखादं छान असं अंगाई गीत म्हणत असते. आता हल्ली आपल्याला खूप म्हणजे आपल्यासाठी हे खूप कठीण झालं आहे की अंगाई गीत वगैरे ऐकायला येणं, परंतु आम्ही लहान असताना मात्र अंगाई गीत बऱ्याच वेळेस आम्ही ऐकलेलं आहे. आज अंगाई गीत ऐकायला मिळत नाही. आज मुलांकडे मोबाईल्स असतात, न्यू टेक्नॉलॉजी असते. आणि म्हणून इथे पोएटने खूप सुंदर असं एक्झाम्पल दिलं आहे की when the moon is floating in the sky, ज्यावेळेस आकाशामध्ये तो चंद्र छानपणे फ्लोट करत असतो, तरंगत असतो, त्यावेळेस मात्र